Excuse me. Hi. Do you speak English? Yes. My name is Samuel. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people for free. And I really like your style. You're very beautiful. I just wanted to ask if you'd like a quick photo. It's completely free. Yeah? What do you say?
Yes.
Yeah? So what's your names?
Marie et Camille.
Marie and Camille. I'm Sam. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So it'll be really quick. I'd like to do one for you, and then one together. So who wants to start? Yeah? So your name is Marie? So Marie, can we go here? Okay, so Marie, do you have a favorite profile?
This one.
This one? Ah, very beautiful. So then, let's go this way. Yeah, face me like here. Can you look over here? Yes. Stand like this. Perfect. And can I get a serious face? If you can. Okay, yes, just a serious face and look over there. Perfect. Yes. Beautiful. Yes. Wow. Can you look at me right here? So I have one question for you. What makes you happy in life?
My friends.
Your friends. Beautiful. Your turn.
Moi, je suis pas photogénique.
Now, do you have a favorite profile? No? This one? Perfect. So, yes, so same thing. Stand like this. Look over here. And give me a serious face. Yes. Yes. Chin up a little bit. Yes. Beautiful. Look over here now. Yes. Can I get a pose like that? Beautiful. Now I have a question for you. What makes you happy in life?
My friends.
Your friends. Perfect. You want one together? Awesome. Yes, so you can be like this. Ah, beautiful. Very nice. So I'll let you get your stuff and then I'll show you the photos. Yeah, so here are the photos. It's this.
Ah, j'adore.
Ah.
Non, mais
Is that? Is that?
J'adore. J'adore.
Is this? You have a beautiful smile.
J'aime pas du tout.
Beautiful smile.
Ah, j'aime bien celle-là.
Is that? Ooh, very serious.
Yes, ah, ça j'aime bien. Ouais.
Very serious. It's
Méthodique,
you.
trop belle.
Beautiful smile.